Everyone, this is Professor P. Ule and today's my topic is Exim Policy 2015 to 2020. We all are aware about Exim Policy. It is synonym to for or Exim Policy is nothing but the foreign trade policy of India. Is the set of the guidelines and instruction established by government of India in sphere of foreign trade, that is import and export of India. Exim policy is a 5-year plan. Basically it is updated every 31st of March, and the modifications, improvements and new schemes become effective from 1st April every year. Exim policy of the Indian government is regulated by Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act 1992. Exim policy The Exim policy has been formulated focusing increasing the export scenario, boosting the production and supporting the concept like Make in India and Digital India. The Foreign Trade Policy 2015 to 2020 was finally announced by the Honorable Ministry of Commerce Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman on the 1st of April 2015. The FTP has been announced in the background of several measures initiated by the government of India, such as Make in India, Digital India, Skill India, amongst other. The foreign trade policy introduced with the new view to double India's income or double India's share in the world trade by the year 2020, rationalize the general provisions regarding import and export and promotional measures offered by the Commerce Ministry, and also offer mechanism for resolving the quality complaints and trade disputes. Silent features of foreign trade policy or Exim policy. The scheme, namely merchandise export for India scheme and service exports for India scheme, has been introduced, replacing multiple schemes exist earlier. MEIS to promote the export of notified goods, and SEIS for benefit of export in India. Reduce the obligation by 25%, give the boost of domestic manufacturing, supporting the Make in India concept. Both MEIS and SEIS firm will get the subsidized offices in sales along with the other benefit. As the steps to Digital India concept, online procedure to upload a digitally signed documents, CAS, cost accountant are developed, and further mobile app for the filling tax, stamps duty has been developed. Benefits of MEIS would be eligible for e-commerce and handicrafts, handlooms, books, export up to 25,000 per consignment will get sales benefits. Okay, then duty credit script be freely and usable payment of custom duty, excise duty, service tax. Recognize the status as a changed from the rupees to US dollars earning. The position status holder will recognize the reward those entrepreneurs who helped in India to become a major export player. Manufacturers who are also status holder will be enabled self-certified their manufactured goods and the originating the India. Repeatedly submission of physical copies of documents available on export importer profile not required. Agriculture and village industry product to be supported across the globe, and the rate 3% to 5% in MEIS. Impact on economy. It is expected that 2015 to 2020 the share of India in the world trade is from the present level by increasing by 3% in the year 2020. The simplifying the existing multiple schemes, the new policies has come up with the schemes MEIS, SEIS that reduce the complexities and encourage the entrepreneur. Similarly, use the technology to perform the compliance, reduce the transaction cost and manual errors. Policy has also focused moving away from the reliance on subsidies by extending benefits under the APCG domestic procurement and offering them more product under MEIS. The policy further seeks to intensive the export generation of new employment and providing the quality products at the reasonable price. Consumers are expected to be delivered by the policies. In short, EXIM policy boosts the productivity and the exportable surplus at comparative. At conclusion, EXIM policy is highly price-worthy as it purely focusing develop the export potential, improving export performance, encouraging foreign trade, and creating and the favorable balance of payment, resolving quality complaints and trade disputes, good governance, and export facilitated by the policy. And hope expectation of the policy has bought will be met. Okay, thank you.